Rakuten is a shopping portal that allows you to earn cash back or travel rewards when you shop online. It's free and simple and a great way to get the most from every dollar that you spend. So if you do any online shopping, stay tuned because this video is for you. By the way, hi, my name is Mel, and I'm here to share my travel experiences, teach you the how-tos for free travel, and help you save money. Before getting into the video, if you like this type of content or you get some value from it, I'd love if you'd hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel, so thank you. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Let's start with the basics. What is Rakuten? Rakuten is a shopping portal that helps direct shopping traffic to stores on its site. The stores that work with Rakuten pay a commission for any sales that Rakuten sends their way. For example, if a shopper goes to Macy's by clicking the link through the Rakuten site, Macy's will pay Rakuten a commission for directing business their way. Rakuten then passes the rewards on to the shopper in the form of cashback or travel rewards. Rakuten has more than 3,500 stores that it works with in this way, including almost all the stores that I shop with. When I shop at any of those stores, it always works like the Macy's example. I go to Rakuten and click the link of the store I want, any of the 3,500 plus options, and Rakuten directs me to the website. After my purchase, the store pays Rakuten a commission for directing business their way, and Rakuten passes the rewards on to me in the form of travel rewards. It's as simple as that. But if you're like me, you might be skeptical. I know when I first learned about Rakuten, I wondered whether the prices that I would get by clicking through Rakuten would be the same as the prices when I went straight to the website. In other words, are the prices the same? The short answer is absolutely yes, the prices are the same. When you click through Rakuten to get to a store, you end up on the exact same website with the exact same prices as you would had you gone to the website directly from a browser. Here's an example that hopefully will make it clear. Suppose I want to buy mascara from Ulta. If I click through directly to their website, and then I search for the product I want by going to the search bar and typing in Benefit Mascara, I get options that come up, I scroll down, and I choose the one I'm interested in, and there it is at $28, the Roller Lash Curling and Lifting Mascara. Now let's do it again, but this time through Rakuten. I open the app on my phone, click on Ulta. I get a message that I'll be receiving 4% cash back. I am taken to the same website as before. I search for the product I want, which is Benefit Mascara, by typing it in the search bar again. I'm taken to results. They look exactly like they did last time. I scroll down to find the exact mascara I want, and once again I see that the price is $28, the exact same price I found when I went through the website directly. Is this always the case? Yes. I'm a skeptical person, so I tested it out in lots of different stores with lots of different products, and every single time it took me to the same website and the prices were always the same. And that makes total sense because Rakuten is just directing you to the store's actual website. So basically, you can go straight to the store website and purchase the mascara for $28, or you can go to the store via Rakuten and purchase the mascara for $28. The website is the same, the price is the same. So what's the difference? The only difference is you get 4% cash back or points by going through Rakuten. As a side note, the level of rebate at each store fluctuates. So one day you might find Rakuten is offering 2% at Instacart, but the next day it might be 3%. Each store is different and there are always fluctuations. I kind of like that because I find it fun to game the system, and I always try to make my purchases when I can get the best return. For example, it's helpful to know on holidays or on Black Friday that Rakuten often offers much higher levels of cash back. I try my best to take advantage of opportunities like this, and it usually works out well because on these days, stores often have sales as well. So it's a win-win. But even if you're the type that just wants to buy what you want, when you want, you still win because any level of rebate is better than no rebate. Free money is free money. So with that, let's move on to our next question. Why join now? Well, the simple answer is that joining now allows you to stop missing the opportunity for free money. If you do any online shopping and you're not using a portal, you're leaving money on the table every time you make a purchase. I actually only learned about Rakuten a year ago, and once I learned how it worked and started getting rewards, I was so frustrated to know that all of those years before when I had been shopping, I was losing out on the opportunity to get cash back. Over the last year, I've received the equivalent between cash back and points of over $700. When I think back to all the years I wasn't using Rakuten or shopping portals, I realized it was such a wasted opportunity. So if you didn't know about Rakuten before today, or if you just never got around to signing up, trust me when I say that there's no better time to join than today. And in fact, right now is an even better time to join than usual because Rakuten is offering a special deal between now and the middle of next month, which allows you to get a $40 bonus if you sign up with the link in my description below. If you aren't already a member of Rakuten and you live in the US or Canada, you can click the link, open an account through that link, and then use the Rakuten website or app to click through to any store on their site and make a purchase of $40 or more within 90 days of signing up. And that's it, and you get a $40 bonus. So now that you know what Rakuten is and you're on board to get started, what do you do next? What are the steps? So let me break down the steps to make things really easy. Step 1, sign up with the link. Click the link in my description. After you click the link, you'll be brought to a page that tells you that you're going to get a $40 bonus. Next, enter your email. Then select a password that's at least 8 characters. This will log you in and bring you to the home page for Rakuten. This brings us to step 2. Set up how you want to be paid. Hover over your name or email in the upper right-hand corner and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down until you see the section that says, how would you like to get paid? You have 3 options: get cash back sent to PayPal, get cash back in a check, earn American Express membership rewards. Let's start with PayPal. If you click on PayPal, it will bring up a pop-up that allows you to log into your PayPal account and connect it to your Rakuten account. Then when you get paid, the money will go directly to your PayPal account. If you don't have PayPal or you don't want to connect it to Rakuten for some reason, then click on Big Fat Check. You'll get a pop-up that asks you for your name and address, and when you get paid, the money will be sent in check form to the address you listed. The third option is to receive American Express membership rewards, which are a form of flexible travel rewards. But there are a couple of requirements before you can select this. First, you need to select one of the other 2 payment methods before the system will allow you to switch to membership rewards. So connect PayPal or provide your name and address first. Second, you must already have an American Express card that provides membership rewards in order to take advantage of this option. The reason is simple. Rakuten sends the points directly to your American Express account. So if you don't have one, then there's nowhere to send the points. If both of these requirements are met, then you can switch to American Express points. And when you get paid by Rakuten, they'll send your points directly to your American Express account. The rate at which you receive membership rewards corresponds directly with the level of cashback. 2% cashback provides 2x points, 3% cashback provides 3x points, 6% cashback provides 6x points, 10% cashback provides 10x points, and so on. Let's look at a specific example to make things clear. If Rakuten is paying 10% for a Macy's purchase, and you spend $100 at Macy's, you would get $10 if you opted to receive cashback, or 1,000 points if you opted to receive membership rewards. It adds up really quickly, especially when Rakuten features higher than usual rebates. Now that all that's out of the way, you're ready for step 3. Start shopping. This part is really simple. Browse the list of stores to see where you can shop and what the rebate will be, or use the search bar to find a particular store. Once you find where you want to shop, click on that store. It will bring you to the website, and en route it will give you a reminder that you're earning a certain level of rebate as it redirects you to the store's website. At this point, you just shop like you always do. Look for what you want, put it in the cart, check out, and pay for the items. The order should show up under shopping trips, which you can find in the pull-down menu in the upper right corner of the page. And that's it, fast and simple. It's literally just a couple of extra clicks. So, what happens next? First, you might want to download the Rakuten app on your mobile device if you like to shop on your phone. It works the same way on the app as it does on Rakuten.com. Next, you should continue to use Rakuten every time you need to do any online shopping. And by doing that, you'll continue accumulating rewards. Finally, once every quarter, expect to receive a payout from Rakuten. They'll pay you through whichever payment option you signed up for. So be on the lookout for a check, a deposit to your PayPal account, or a deposit of membership rewards into your American Express account. Well, now that you know all the basics and you're ready to start earning cash back today, here are 3 small things you might want to watch for. First thing, once in a while you'll get a message when you click through the mobile app and it'll say, "No rewards if you continue this way, you need to go to the desktop." I have no idea why that happens, and it doesn't happen very often, but if you get that message, just go get on the desktop to finish your shopping. Second, sometimes the rewards at a particular store are not the same for all products at that store, and once in a while there are exclusions like gift cards, so be on the lookout for that. You can still purchase those things, but you might be getting a lower cashback rate or no cashback rate at all, so make sure you read the details. Third, there are often coupons available through Rakuten that give you an even better deal. Up at the top left of the page, click where you see the deals listed, and you'll see all of your coupon options in one place. I actually really love this feature. And that's it. You're on your way to earning rewards when you shop online. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope it gave you all the information you needed in order to start using Rakuten today. Remember to use the link in the description below so that you can get your cash bonus. And it also helps the channel, so thank you. Until next time, happy travels and happy shopping.